Yeah. Run in, people. Where the death? Where the death? Where the death? Welcome to the show. Yeah. Here and now. Sing with me. Sing with me. Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. So yes, happy independence, happy emancipation, all of these things, Jamaicans and Rasta Caribbean people. I hope that you enjoyed the holidays. Big up all of the schoolers, them. Big up all of the people them who are about to go and start UA in September. Big up to all of the people them who are going to suffer over CXC results. But anywho, let's get into the countdown because one bag of drama going.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Massacre fan girl. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So, the other day, Massacre was at a party. I do him thing, I perform on stage. And oh yeah, I have to go, go one side and go talk about this. And I realize the Massacre dropped 2 music videos in the space of like almost 1 week. The first video,
man a king in a earth. Yo, me never drop the girl, the whole city alert.
yeah, that one good and all kind of things. And it's a nice message. And I like the presentation of the music video. But what people are talking about is this one where blessings.
A blessing, girl. A blessing, blessing. You're such a blessing, girl.
It look like so right about now if you're not sing one song about blessings, you're not her saying anything.
Bless.
But legit just wait for somebody to start doing blessings and a remix.
Oh, hell no.
Yo, blessings and honor. Yo, glory and power. Yo, beyond to the essence of days. Yo, anyway, back to what I was saying. Massacre was on stage and during the performance, I guess somebody in the audience was so moved to see her hideout, to see the one and only Massacre up there doing him thing, and she was just moved and ended up swept away in emotion. She could not contain herself. Free people.
Nobody right here. Let her up on the stage. Let her up on the stage. Oh God, sharp down. So free, queen in again. Balance it there, she's crying, so everyone going on. You understand? Inside of the world. Squeeze the next one in like that. Hold on. What do you put down them there not talking? We can't answer the trouble.
You think there is any one celebrity, one public figure that could have get you wrapped up like that? Where you're gonna start ball, just seeing them? Me don't know, let me try to think. Let me think. Probably Oprah. Probably Oprah, I probably ball for Oprah. If we did for select the whole Barack Obama and his family, the whole of them, one time I feel like I probably ball for that. Yeah, that's it. But let me know, people, what did you think about this? Comment down below. Number 9, Shen in the bush. My word, my sentence. So, Shenseea, I do her promo tour as usual. You know, she's all about the place. When she's not performing, she's our interviewing, she's our freestyling, all of these things.
That rollie that make time for us. I call him Donald, cause he like to duck. I don't mind, I got
So recently she visited Angela Yee's podcast called Lip Service. Now that is a program where them talk about whole heap of sexual things. Them just take a celebrity and them reason with them about everything where normally them would keep private. And some months ago they had Christopher Mann on as a guest.
In the rural section, like the country section. So from your young, it's like they beat it in your head. Hey boy, don't back your fist and don't go down on a girl. So it's like you're growing up. What?
You don't masturbate?
No.
And I guess now they are now talking with dancehall princess Shenseea.
The girl Shenseea.
We were hoping you was going to sing it like that. Okay.
Shenseea.
Well, Shenseea is here with us and we're excited to have you.
So in the middle of the interview, it looked like Shenseea, she did kind of shy because as much as Jamaican people can talk about the ra-cha-cha things, we don't reach them levels there like the Americans them. We will talk it, but when it come to one-on-one, I saw we sit down humble me and my like, oh my God, you really must talk about sex? You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, and then we go up on stage and talk about, wow, that was so weird. But yeah, I just saw it as Jamaicans. Anyhow, during the interview, she was asked about if she normally, stick to the bedroom thing, or she sometimes experiment and do things outside. And Shenseea revealed that she likes to get it on in the bush.
If you had a choice, in the bedroom or on the floor in the living room?
Mention my option. I think like outside.
Outside.
Yeah.
In
That is
public?
more spontaneous.
You can't do that anymore, Shenseea.
Jamaica? Well, yeah, because we have a lot of bushes.
You might end up on some social media
No,
page.
as I said, we have a lot of bushes. So
Okay.
It depends on where. So.
Well, what if
So wow, yeah, that is quite interesting. I cannot really picture Shenseea in the bush, but I think from she sing that song named Tie Me Up and Strangle Me or whatever I want to name, you know that this girl is creative. She look like she read whole heap of 50 Shades of Grey and all of these things. And so Shenseea, just be careful and mind make a joke you in the bush. Remember, you are a public figure. So just be stush in the bush. Okay? What do you think about this burritos? Have you ever, done it in the bush? Comment down below. Hey everyone, I know that you are enjoying the social media countdown, but let me just say, if you want to promote, please reach out to DuttyBerryshow@gmail.com. It's awesome rates. You can get to promote your business, your event, your music. Send us an email right now. It is DuttyBerryshow@gmail.com. That is it, and we can get the conversation started. Now enjoy the remainder of the countdown. Number 8, Barbershop Woes. Major Chicken. So this brother by the name of Holy, he is a comedian, Instagram personality, did a little video spoofing what it is like when you enter one barbershop with Jamaicans, Caribbean barbers. Now this is reality. We all know when we go to the barbershop and we sit down and we want, just get a little lineup or whatever it might be, the barber and the one next to you decide to them want to have for them own personal one-on-one conversation and move what could have been a little 20-minute trim to a 1 hour type of deliberation.
No, but tonight. Yo, cut his hair and stop talking to him. Yo, just pull up, yo. Yo, you understand, yo. It's gonna last like midnight. What out of my yo? Last night, I got to be out tonight. What out of first time? Everything you live. So, wait, how much you want back in there? 1 second. Yo, bro, just cut my hair, bro. Shut up and cut my hair. Now talk about nothing. Last night. Cut my hair, bro. Stop, like, I just want a haircut, bro. I look bad, bro. Oh my God, last night was crazy. Goddamn drink, smoke, everything. Cut the hair, bro. Go cut his hair. Cut his hair. Cut his hair. Cut his hair. He is yourself. Cut his hair. Yo, bro, come cut my hair.
And so if you want to see more of Jolie's videos, you can just, go and follow him right here. But let me know, burritos, can you relate to this? Comment down below.
Yeah, mama. Whoa. Funny one, cat. Hey.
Number 7, PM Get Spicy. Me go have a give them skin. So, you know, recently Spice celebrated her birthday on August 6th. So, in the middle of the lead-up festivities, she posted on her page, so, you know, you must tag people and tag your friends them for come on for our birthday party, which would have been held at Mass Camp on the 5th. So, somebody now decided so they are going to tag whole heap of people now, and they decided to tag must say Beyonce, Barack Obama, and they tagged the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness. So same time now Spice running, you know, and Spice was saying to this person like, come on man, when I say tag people, I don't mean like the Prime Minister. I'm sure the Prime Minister have whole heap of things for her do. But, you see, when I do not know who contact Mr. Holness, but Mr. Holness is a man about optics and him understand marketing and the impact of social media and all of these things. So he had wasted no times, like legit, in less than 24 hours, there was an official comment to Spice's post and it read. I legit can't even do an Andrew Holness impression, but let me just read how I think all Prime Ministers sound. Happy birthday, when it comes Spice official. We appreciate all our Jamaican entertainers and appreciate you especially for bringing our culture to the far corners of the world. How is your Women's Empowerment Foundation coming along? So you say all of these hard things because yes, I do not believe that Andrew Holness knows all of these things, but you see the people them that are incompetent around Andrew Holness, they're very quick with it, them no one go on, they're just like, yo, ask her about that. That I will show say you know what she do. That I will show say you actually concerned and know what is going on in the dancehall space. So then Spice responded, skin out! Oh no, I'm just joking. So she said, thank you, it will definitely be happy when it comes. Hugs emoji, especially if you're at Mass Camp August 5th, smiley. So now you're specially invited to come hang with us, laughing emoji. And you're welcome, I will continue to rep our culture worldwide, praying emoji. My Grace Hamilton Women's Empowerment Foundation is doing extremely well. This August we will be helping 50 mothers with back to school. I would love to get some force from you to make it bigger. Praying emoji, praying emoji, praying emoji. Hashtag Team Better Jamaica. Blue heart. And then after that, Spice screenshot the post and then put it up saying nobody can talk to her now. Know that the Prime Minister has recognized her, knows what she's doing and knows all about her foundation. So what did you think, Berry-does? What do you think of this banter between Spice and the Prime Minister? Comment down below. Number 6, dream job. Number 6, dream job. Mikalalu shoes polish. My word. So, Dream Weekend happened recently and boy, I've never been to Dream Weekend. I don't even know what to expect. I think right about now, just time I just look on things on social media and don't need to forget to cut myself for my money and all of these things for Dream Weekend. But it look like say it always shell. So gente who, yeah, the weekend gone and all kind of things, celebrations go on, people braff and these things. But yeah, what we want to find out about is apparently there was a Dream BJ. Yeah, you hear me right. I said a Dream BJ, you know, because I try to keep it PJ, so I have to say it really fast. So a Dream BJ, yes, it happened at one of the parties that apparently is called Wet and Wild. And I guess it would have lived up to his I guess it would have lived up to its name because 2 people in particular got extremely wet and wild. So you really did think somebody that got show on in the video, and then when my channel just drop off of YouTube, so you really think me that got show in the video. There was a gentleman, you know him there Dream Weekend went on while him there underneath the bridge, you know, water is here, it's like a pool. I have like a bridge I come over so. And him there build, you know, all kind of things, and then in front of him there was a young lady who I don't know if her foot is tired and she decided so yo, me go just like, you know, bend down for my knee, you know, and go and give me knee them some rest, give my foot some rest. And while she was there, I guess she say, you know, one banana in front of her face. So same time she say, boy, you know, a long time I get no potassium, you know, so might as well me just take this banana from this brother away right in front of me coincidentally. And me I go just go and you know, consume it so I can stock up on potassium. So people were all around there, you know, like, you know, dancing and everybody braff and all kind of things. And this girl decided to say she was just going to keep on taking that banana in and out of her, you know, her opening on her face. And it was just going back and forth like this, you know, like it was just like, oopsie, up, down, up, down, up, down. I was like, wow. And people did a record and all of these things. And, yeah, man, so this person was getting a proper, blow of many jobs in the midst of this party. That's as best as I can describe it to you. So what I want to know is what do you make of all of this? Who you think to blame? Mr. Whole heap of people on Twitter, you know, I chastise the young girl for do them type of slackness there and carelessness. I don't really see whole heap of people that talk about the brother because the brother look like say, yo, he was just her living theme life. So let me know, Berry-does, what do you think about this? People, you know, getting intimate like that in a party? What do you have to say? Comment down below. Number 5, Sprinter Love. Mejongo Bangjeng. So Sprinter, you say, wow. So Sprinter Yohan Blake recently put up a picture on his social media pages showing off his lovely girlfriend. Now, this is what the couple looks like. And so same time when I saw this picture, I said to myself, remember this is Jamaica, and oh my gosh, this person, Yohan Blake, put up a picture with a lighter skinned woman with a woman who looked more Caucasian, and then I remember how Jamaican people stay, and I just knew what the comment section was going to be like, and yes people, it lived up to exactly what I thought it would be. Here are what some of the comments read. Baby God bless says, and that slow him up. Sister Walker Betty comments and say, boy, them can't share them riches with a Jamaican girl. Sad face. Look how many beautiful black intelligent ladies we have. Crying emoji. One Luck Empress says, them just a turn them back pan them dry head sister them so. Balling emoji, balling emoji, balling emoji. And what we do no. Another user by the name of Alicia Grants chimed in and said, I see. All these Jamaican men that makes it big just get with the white looking or very high color chicks. That would not give them the time of day if them never have money. Sad emojis. And then Shellan876 says, from these comments, you never know Jamaica is out of many one people. This girl is very much Jamaican and they look great. Yeah man, that is definitely true, Shellan, but let me just talk about it because couldn't drop around the waist for you and Blake because boy, that brother used that bit like it was a waist trainer. I'm sorry, but let me know what you think about this light skin, dark skin, uptown one somebody, you know, get rich and switch and all kind of things. Do they tend to go for a more Caucasian looking person? Let me know your thoughts on this issue. Berry does. Do you think it's a problem or I think Jamaicans just love to cuss for anything? Number 4, Candy gets candid. Miss Sweetie, Candy's new social media sensation. She boy, Candy are going with the bag of things. Can I get a wow for Candy?
So can I get a wow? Wow! Wow!
Can I get a wow for Candy and her makeover them that have been burning up social media recently? Me not like Candy. Your Glam Squad team, them know what them are doing there. They know what they are doing with you. It was also at Spice's party on the 5th at Mass Camp, and she and Spice go up on stage and do them look clashing and some look dancing things, and yeah, that they go on good.
This looks serious! Select the one that it's Friday, you can't do want to redeem. Look at the stage show that start right here, so.
Also shows that Candy seems to have, you know, actual talent, and she definitely has a star persona. She's very confident and secure in who she is, and she's very, you know, unapologetic, and that is why I guess people are connecting to her so much in such a short space of time. But it looks as if a little trouble is setting in paradise, because you know the usual strips. Whenever you have a social media person, somebody boss, you have some little person from the community or some selector or somebody round about the place that just pops up on the side, say, yo, them are management, and them are, you know, cater for the artist. And then as you start to count or blink your eye two times, you realize, say, the talent come out and I say, yo, I rob you, did I rob me? You never give me the money and all kind of things. And so it looks as if it is Candy's turn, and this is what she said.
Me look nice, last night a Spice, no me look bug out. Spice now make Candy work for free. Uno cool, uno use the little girl man, uno too wicked man. He hungry, we have to give him food, uno too wicked management. The girl a walk without money, hungry now. You hear? Them not deal with me right. Yo! So you know what I do? Low up my whole come back to uno, where? Is it? How we both song? See them there, them both me. Now come back to uno, where? I use a little girl. Spice a woman when I beg nothing or beg no free. And I tell about Spice beg a girl free show. And you don't collect nothing there for Spice. And I tell for me Spice. And I tell for me Spice.
Oh, okay. So Candy is moving away from that situation. But let me also just say this: there's a lot of freeness that happens within the entertainment industry that people don't know. people will think, say, yo, if TVJ call, if you do an interview, TVJ will come and say, yo, say $100,000 a year for come go sit down for the interview. No, they might give you a platform and you go up there, go there make an interview. If you come, you know, pan Smile Jamaica or whatever like that. No, but I think, say, you know, one thing like nobody can fly out, put you in a hotel for like all 2 weeks and them look at a different type of strips. But you have people who might in your community or might about the place who not have the sort of understanding there of the industry that be like, yo, almost $5 million you get for that, you know, man. Yo, a go round thing. You mean say Joe Bogdanovich, man? Yo, if the man tell us if yo, come to him office, he must have fork out $10 million. Yeah, he that thing that yo rob them. Yeah. So you have to kind of understand and make your judgment with as much information as you can. That's it, people. State where you have to state down below. Number 3, Dexta wear. Me washing machine. Boy, Dexta Daps. Dexta Daps, you are something else. Me don't know where the brother here has stepped it from, but this brother is something else. This brother is literally a catalyst for woman just dash out. He understands the formula. Dexta Daps has become now this Jamaican Trey Songz, this Jamaican usher. Whatever Burst a man did do in terms of love and affection and deep natural emotions, Dexta Daps is capturing that same energy, except for the late night HBO and Cinemax and Adult Swim, you know, strip club version. So that is it. Burst a man, Dexta Daps. One is saying, I will cross the ocean, them type of love there, and Dexta Daps is like, in a your hole, me I go breed ya. Yeah, and them type of something there, I just saw it go.
Say she want give me king treatment, guess she feel kinky.
So anywho, Dexta was on stage recently performing. I know I'm doing little thing, you know. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, it was in the middle of doing all of that. And you know, he must sing him song where say, must say no underwear, where around the place. And in the middle of him stage performance, this chica, this lady decided to she go and pop a little and fling it on the stage on Dexta. Now, me never could really make it out. Some don't know if it was a G-string, if it was a bingo, if it was a French cut, if it was a Panda River. We don't really know, but somebody can comment down below because it's kind of dark. Fling it on stage and Dexta decided to have the nerve to be surprised.
Oh God, auntie, why you never feel so good? We are the better rum scrub. It's a
Now tell me, you do a song where say no underwear, and you are gonna act shock. So somebody decides that them don't want no underwear on them while they are perform. I saw the baggy go, woo, woo. So let me know, Burritos, what do you think of this thing that happened during Dexta's performance? How would you have reacted if you had one artist and you see somebody fling them baggy on stage? Comment down below.
I may be getting just a teeny bit old, but I can remember when it was considered rude to whistle in front of adults. The biggest bad words Pitney used to cuss were blouse and skirt, rotted and blow. I remember a time when children were afraid of John Kuno, but no, don't to police afraid of Pitney cause Pitney a shut up.
Number 2, Diva drawers. My word, my sentence, my Aki, Mike, saltfish, and callaloo with fried dumpling and pancake fritters. Well, nothing don't even go so. But ente who? So Yanique Curvy Diva this week performed at Jamaica Pride, and in the middle of her performance, she decided to do something that I guess people would consider shocking. So she did on stage and do all kind of things. I know she perform and, you know, and show off her up body and bare things when this happened. Jongo Banga Jeng Gang, Jesus Pim, oh wow. No, me not just talk about Dexta Daps and this type of thing. I look like say Yanique Siwagwan and realize so we need to get this thing trending and literally took off her baggy on stage. She took off her baggy on stage and then handed me no ocean that and the tush must just rest it someplace pan like the this board, the soundboard, what you call that? Like I don't know, and whole heap of people were shocked. I was shocked when I saw it. I was just like, why Yanique? The minute me see me say, Yanique, Yes, no. You're gonna reach on the social media countdown. And I just knew that people were going to react to it in a very harsh way, especially for the people them who don't like Curvy Diva up until now. You know, when I saw the video though, the second thing that came to my mind, me would have loved to be a fly on the wall when Miss Kitty has scrolled past social media and see this video with Yanique. Me would love to be a fly on the wall and hear Miss Kitty's first reaction, but that is just the little drunk part of me. But yeah, like they just want to know her instant reaction. If I could have just read her mind. But anyway, so my thoughts, I don't even know what to think about this. I mean, I never really found it that shocking. I mean, she was at the Pride event and she's on stage, and what I'm hearing is that she actually had another underwear, but she just sort of did it for, this is just Yanique being Yanique. And I think oftentimes when you have artists, when you have celebrities who have something promoting, because she has a new song named Bounce Panic with DeMarco, that they usually do some sort of antics. Nicki Minaj is very known for it. Like, she will literally have a beef with somebody for 10 years and don't say nothing until she have an album or a video or something coming out. So people sometimes they do little antics once they're in that promo season. So them do all kind of things. So, you know, people can have more engagement and people will be searching for them and looking for them, and it tends to overall work because controversy sells. So let me know what you thought about this. What was your reaction? Do you think it was very sloppy and beneath her, or do you think that she's just doing her thing and having a little fun? So comments down below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment. Well done. Before the girls, them sexy and young. Run long, sing along. Well then, pick up the pronoun.
So first up on the big up segment, I have to go and big up race car driver Natasha Chang on breaking the Guinness World Record for making the fastest ascent of the Doi Chang mountain. Boy, that shell. Me don't really know what all of that is about and where the mountain there, but congratulations, Natasha. And next up, me I forgot to say happy birthday to Queen of Stage, Spice. You know, August the 6th, she born the same day as with Jamaica's independence, and so yeah, that makes sense to why she's actually, you know, such a headstrong, independent type of lady. Happy birthday, Spice. And also big up to Sizzla Kalonji for, you know, being honored at the Grand Gala 2019.
Sizzla has released 56 albums. He is one of the leading reggae recording artists, credited with leading a movement towards a re-embracement of Rastafari values in contemporary reggae music.
And also, I forgot big up diver Yohan Knight on winning his historic gold medal at the Pan American Games recently for the 1 meter springboard competition. Yeah man, congrats and big up yourself, Yohan.
This is Original Coffee and you're watching the Duttyberryshow. Duttyberry, I come in like a rapture. Yeah.
And number one goes to... Hold your position. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca, my library, my head, my shoulder, my knees, my toe. God did them all. So this video, take the cake. This video, boy. So the other day, there was a big entire matchup. Now this bigger than WWE wrestling and all of these things. This now featured a pastor versus a Rasta man. So legit two different religions here. So you have the Christianity over here, so, and you have the Rastafarian over here, so. Rastafarianism over there, so. Now, who you think would have win? If you see this on paper, so there's going to be a competition, a war between a pastor and a Rasta man. Who you think would have the edge? So we don't really know the backstory to this, but it seems as if the Rasta man did kind of step in on the pastor space, and the pastor never like it. So the pastor keep on tell the brother, say, hold your position. Hold your position.
Hold your position. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your position. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your position.
Kick out the foot of your man mascot.
Yeah, the pastor kind of, you know, minced the Rasta right into the ground. The Rasta became ground provision after that. Whew! And wait a minute. Not the same spot here. The same little lane here, them did have the dandish and the war with the stone and all kind of something. No man, they need to disinfect the spot here. Somebody need to go up there with some island. Yeah man, somebody need to disinfect the spot here. Because right there, so too much war go on there, so. Too much community and cascas war go on right there, so. So now update, it seems as if the pastor and the Rasta man hail from Denham town. And according to the Observer, the Jamaica Observer, they have made peace. Boy, oh boy, right about now, I just feel, say, hold your position need to be a new slang, it need to be a new talk. The same way all people I walk around with, can I get a wow? I feel like, say, hold your position need to be a thing where we kind of bring into the Jamaican lexicon, the vernacular. So you see, if you know, say, you're 20 and your mother want to step to you and shut your box in front of your friend, them, you just tell, mommy. Hold your position. So if you left your food in the fridge and you know, say, you have one little brother or one little sister who are going to name it out, you just tell that person. Hold your position. If you are your woman, and saka, do the things, then you get a phone call and you have to step outside of the room, tell her, hold your position. If your name is Peter Phillips and you say Bunty and try running and take over the PNP, you have to go tell him say hold your position. I need to done. Well, that's it, people. I hope that you enjoyed this social media countdown. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button. Please give me a like and also to leave a comment and let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. Remember to like and comment, and don't be afraid to share the video. Share the video to Twitter, share the video to Facebook, wherever. Tell a friend so them can be a part of the Duttyberry Show countdown family. Also, if you need to advertise in the social media countdown, you know you just send me an email to duttyberryshow@gmail.com and we can get things started out. Okay, if you need to follow me on my social media, it is @DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all over. So you can join me there to find out more about my madness on a day-to-day basis. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Big up to all of the people who watched my interaction with the British High Commissioner to Jamaica, Mr. Asif Ahmad. I like the positive feedback and I will try to ensure, say, I show them more content outside of the one, like a rare, and all kind of things. Okay, so take care until next time. Can you imagine if the pastor didn't hear the song, yeah?
Drop it low for Jesus.
Hold your position, Satan.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth.